Today we are diving into a recipe that combines the sweetness of fresh blueberries with the decadence of chocolate, all with a zesty twist. They make a perfect snack or dessert. So get ready to tantalize your taste buds with these chocolate-covered blueberries infused with a burst of citrusy flavor. Chocolate-covered blueberries with a zesty twist is a delightful treat, and they look so beautiful and taste so delicious. Add white chocolate to a bowl. Here you can experiment with the different types of chocolates in a microwave-safe bowl or using a double boiler. Gently melt the chocolate. Stir in the coconut oil until well combined. Now comes the exciting part, adding the zesty twist. The lemon infusion adds a delightful twist to the chocolate. Once the chocolate is velvety and smooth, add the lemon zest, lemon extract or lemon oil. You can adjust it to your desired level. Feel free to add any of your favorite ingredients such as crushed nuts, shredded coconut or any other ingredients for added texture and flavor. Add the fresh blueberries into the luscious melted chocolate, making sure that each berry is evenly coated. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper, then carefully scoop out the blueberries, either in clusters of about 5-6 berries or individually. Also sprinkle each cluster with a bit of lemon zest for that extra pop of color and flavor. Now place the baking sheet in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes or until the chocolate has hardened and the blueberries are set. Once the chocolate has set, you can indulge in these delightful treats immediately or transfer them to an airtight container for later use. They can be stored in the refrigerator for about 2 days, so keep them refrigerated until you are ready to serve. They look so beautiful and taste so delicious. Enjoy the sweet, tangy and chocolatey goodness, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Remember to subscribe, like and share this video with your fellow foodies. Until next time, happy cooking!